In this question, you have to calculate the value of 99% divided by 9%, and you have to choose the correct answer out of A 11%, B 110%, C 1100%, or D 11,000%. So to solve this, first you have to change the percentage into numerical value, which can be calculated by 99 multiply 1 by 100 divided by 9 into 1 by 100. This 100 cancels out, so it's equals to 9 is 11 equals to 11, which is a numerical value. Now the 11 you have to convert into percentage. So to convert it into percentage, you have to multiply it by 100, which is equals to 11 into 100 equals to 1100%. So option C is our correct answer.